This is an introvert's paradise, is what my friend said when he texted me because he saw that I added again something cool in my room. And just seeing the text made me realize that there is a lot going on in my room. Let me show you. First we have is my desk set, which I spend most of my time. I mean, it's where you can game a lot as well. And if you have that powerful rig, then you can just play any game that you like, especially on high graphics. If you're also curious what's in my rig, well then you can take a screenshot. By the way, I'm also a streamer and a content creator in the Philippines, which is why I have a setup like this, the 2-monitor thingy. Second is my cozy space. Every time I stream, my viewers always compliment me how cozy and chill my room looks, and I love it. But the only secret there is actually lighting. A nice lighting in a nice movie really goes along to set the mood. As for my TV, it's a Samsung Serif, and I think it just looks amazing. It looks aesthetic, and anything aesthetic contributes to your room looking more cozy. By the way, I just want to share that the lamps I have are mostly from IKEA, and this is actually my new favorite lamp. I mean, it's cute and small, and it just gives that ambience in your table. I actually have 2 of this, but I think the most important one is my string lights. I mean, I don't have to explain it, but you can see it that it just gives that oomph. Third is probably the stuff I've built. I've built some Gundams and Legos, and it's just really enjoyable to watch a movie, build something, then you get to display it afterwards in your room. I mean, I guess that's how introverts are. But this friend set is my favorite piece because it's really interactive. I mean, you can tinker with it, play with it, and you can also make your imagination flow reminiscing the episodes in Friends. I recommend this one. Fourth is my music stuff, mainly my guitar and the new item I got, which is my turntable. I have the Taylor guitar, and I think it's just really awesome to know one instrument so that when you get kind of bored, you can just pick up your guitar and, you know, have that chill moment. And yeah, it's an additional thing to do in your room other than scrolling in the internet, which I avoid doing. And this turntable I just got, and I've been playing vinyls for the past days and also just going out to buy new vinyls. I mean, nowadays people like collecting vintage or retro things, and I think it's because we connect differently with the world having this. By that I mean that everything is so high-tech right now that it gets overwhelming. But having things from the past and enjoying them in the present just gives that nostalgic feel. And lastly is my tech in general. I mean, we got our music and gaming headset, we got our cameras, Instax, drones, gaming laptops and such. But most of the things I mentioned are used for my content creation, and some of them can be used again out of boredom, like my drone. I just sometimes fly my drone because I just want to. I actually also have this ATV that you can control with a controller, so maybe one of these days I might attach a small camera and just roam it around the house and take a look at the footage. So I also want to show you my mini wardrobe since this became kind of like a room tour. So yeah, we got my favorite jackets hanging on top, and our pants and our shoes, and also my favorite cap collection. I purposely want it to be seen because if you have some cool pieces of jacket, it looks nice to display. Again, aesthetic and Pinteresty. Yeah, I love getting room ideas from Pinterest. For me, I just love making my room cozy enough to work comfortably and also chill on my free time. I hope you enjoyed my mini paradise.